Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back today with 4 trades. I actually did the Euro CAD and then I was trading the Euro New Zealand. Bought it twice and I sold it one time. I was struggling a little bit today, but remember, as long as you have trade management in order, you can work away from a losing trade and turn it into a winning trade. So on this Euro CAD right here, let's just drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. Got in at the high point right here. I should have waited for the pullback, but I knew that it was going to go up, as this is a great way to trade using not 100% perfect as a great way to trade. But the AO down here is blue and the goal line is going up. So I took the trade at this cursor. Let's see what time that was. Right at 9 a.m. this morning. And after a drawdown, let's see how much it was, about 23 pips. I knew it was going to go up. Should have got out over here, but I walked away from the computer. And when I came back, I had to wait for another cycle for it to go back up again, and I closed it out with looks like about very close to 10 pips. So let's say 9 pips, and 9 pips paid $685. So as long as you know the direction of the trend, and you just have to wait for a pullback, like this is a pullback, this is a pullback, another pullback here. Then you just take the trade. I know it kept going up, but it's already 11:30, and I just wanted to close out the trades and do the video for YouTube. So moving right along to the Euro New Zealand here. Let's run a check on that. It's another one that gave me a bit of a hard time, but I still managed to either scalp for the first 3, and the last one was better than just scalping. So let's try the first one right here, which was a buy. Just drag and drop this up. This was a case where I knew it was going to go up, but it just had to do this one more cycle. Got in at this cursor and I closed it out over here. Looks like with 5 pips. And of course those 5 pips produced $314. Now the sell, I did also a sell on this same pair, the Euro New Zealand. Got in down here at the bottom and I closed it out with looks like 5 pips again, and those 5 pips paid $310. Now after I saw that it bouncing off strong support as I went to a higher time frame, and as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, it's hitting this support over here, so I knew that it was going to go back up. So I immediately took the trade. Let's see, after I saw it bouncing off of support over here, and this is going down would be a great way to trade, and buying would be buying the channel, buy low and sell high. So on this where I bought over here, as soon as I closed the other trade, I knew it was going to go up, so I got in. And of course, if it broke the bottom, I would have just closed the trade, but I took this trade at 6 minutes after 10 this morning, and this was my runner for today, which was 35 pips, and 35 pips on the Euro New Zealand paid $2,250. So remember, it's very important that you have trade management, which accounts for 20% of what you have to get correct, and money management is another 20%, and then of course the psychological part, that is the part that's killing every trader who is not successful, and that is worth 50%. Now the only thing left over is the system, your trading system, which accounts for 10%. So once you get the first 3 in order, your system will start working for you. So make sure you get those 3: trade management, money management, and the psychological. And the trade management is what actually helped me today, because I knew that it was going to hit strong support and go back up and save that one trade where I bought. I'd rather end up with 5 pips than, you know, I knew that I wasn't going to close when it was going against me. I knew it was going to bounce off of support and go back up. And looks like it's hitting it again and starting to go back down. But I am done trading for the day. So with all the 4 trades that I've done today, I ended up with 54 pips, and 54 pips paid $3,561. A little bit longer than what I normally like to trade, but you know, things don't go the way you think it'll go, then you just have to wait for it to do another cycle so that you can get out of the trade. That's just the way trading goes. Trade management, remember, very important. So if your trading system is not producing like my magic trigger, I suggest you get your hands on it. And to do so, all you have to do is look right below this video. And you'll see this right up. It's a magic trigger system. I do charge $250. And I do have an ongoing special. For an extra $50, I will give included the golden trigger system and the pip trigger system. So each one of them is worth $250, so that's $750 worth of value for only $300. So my magic trigger system has 3.5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Comes with 4 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and of course my favorite meter. Now there's a lot of PDF books and a lot of Word documents, and this is very good for you to help you to succeed at trading the markets. Now there's a lot of ways to trade, so I teach a lot of ways to trade. That's why there's 40 training videos. My favorite way is a great way to trade, and of course this great trade setups. I deal and I show many trade examples of a great way to trade. Now within all the videos, I give a lot of very good trading tips. I teach how to backtest the magic trigger, how to scalp the market, and how to scan the market. I also teach how to trade all 3 sessions, including this London close, which is happening right at the moment on some of the pairs. Now, I also teach how to trade pullbacks. Anytime the price moves from here back to the goal line, that's a pullback. Same as here, pullback. And I teach right in this general area how to trade it. Now, if it breaks through and keeps going up, as in this situation, if it was to do that, then that's called a reversal. Now, I also teach how to trade the channel. Is exactly what I did today. Got in as close to the bottom of the channel, hitting some strong level of support. That's exactly was this trade. Now, I also teach how to trade around the goal line, as there's always a lot of trade setups around the goal line, either for buying or selling. Also teach how to trade the news, and that is, to be honest with you, the most difficult thing to do, but it is doable after you become good at trading. And also teach how to trade with a day job. Now, if you have any questions at all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Here's my email. If you live too far, there's an underscore here, Forex underscore. Make sure you put it in. I do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. Just got to click on this link. Then we will have a connection. And through Skype screen sharing, I will give you a free session and answer all your questions. Probably lasts about 45 minutes, depending on how many questions you may have for me. Now, over many years, probably 10 years, I've been building trigger systems. And if you want to see some screenshots, there's 26 of them. All you got to do is click on this link. Now, about 6 months ago, after I completed my best 2 trigger systems, I did a review on it. You just have to click on this link, and after I merged those 2 together and came up with my magic trigger system, if you want to see a review on that, all you got to do is click on this link. So I do believe that just about wraps up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trade, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.